Guys, I got a short story for you. So one night in Miami, it was me and a couple guys from a seminar that I went to earlier that day. And it was basically an e-commerce seminar that you had to generate over $5 million in revenue so you could, be able to watch and attend the webinar. So I was talking to one of the guys, and he's told me, how did you become so successful at a young age? And this is for all my young entrepreneurs, but mainly for my adults. So I became successful because in high school, I'm not going to lie, I partied a lot. I got everything out of me at 14, 15 years old. So about the time I hit 16, that rush from parties and girls and everything, it wasn't in me anymore. So basically what I'm saying is, if you still have that rush to go out, go party, not build yourself and build your business, you have it fucked up and you need to reevaluate your life. I can't stress that enough. You have your morals fucked up. You need to reevaluate your life. That's my short story. Please like this video. Comment on this video. Let me know what you think to enter the $10,000 giveaway. Let's get it. Thank you for watching.